This is a quick little video that I am putting up tonight because I want to share with you that I'm going to be doing a special YouTube video mini-series this week, giving you different ways that you can go online, whether it's for your customers, your clients, your team members, your audience, and especially with family and friends, that you connect with people so that everyone does not feel as isolated as they might be feeling right now, that we can still connect with each other. I was thinking about ways that I could serve and help, and this is one way I can do that, is by sharing some how to connect online, whether it is with a variety of different platforms. So stay tuned for that. Variety of different videos this week. That's a special series to help you connect with who you need to connect with. Thanks for tuning in. Please feel free to share this so other people know that this is coming. Feel free to subscribe so that you get the notification when a video comes up, because it might be all different times this week. Typically, I share videos on Tuesdays, but this is a different week. We're in a different time, and I thought that I would do that to help you reach the people that maybe you need to help and reach out to. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services, and on YouTube, if you just look up Patricia Regier, or I will put the link below wherever I'm sharing this video as well. So thanks for checking this out. I hope that you are well. I'm thinking of all of you, and we will connect soon.